Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo. What's up? What's up? This had to happen ना कितने सालों से कितने सालों से decade से इंतजार हो रहा था. I don't know why. I just find it very hilarious. I find it so funny because open Instagram, open Twitter, any of the hip hop chatter, there's always people poking Raftar, retired rapper. कब आ रही है हार्ड ड्राइव वॉल्यूम 2? यही चल रहा है 2 सालों से. कितने सालों से? 2 साल हो गए ना. हाँ. I think a lot of people had given up कि नहीं आ रही है हार्ड ड्राइव वॉल्यूम 2. आएगी नहीं. We are just dreaming about something that doesn't exist and will never exist. यही सब चल रहा था, right? Anyway, it's finally here. I was somewhere. Where was I? I was in some event. And when I got out and I was heading back home, that's when I opened my phone and I saw the announcement and I was like, oh my God, it's happening. I don't know how many people had DM'd it to me, the little like teaser trailer thing. And I was like, okay, everyone, it's happening. Full office scene happens. Michael Scott's voice in my brain. Oh my God. Okay, let's cut the small talk and let's get to this. It's got 9 tracks. 9 tracks hain. I told you guys I'm not covering entire projects in one video. It gets too much at the back end to edit and upload and all of that. So I will go 3-3-3. That's how we'll cover this. Okay, 3 different videos. I was going to do 2-2-2. And then I realized, oh, no, there are 9 tracks. 3 makes more sense. So okay, it's a listening session. We're not going to overthink this. We're just going to enjoy the music and we're going to talk about what we like, what we didn't like as much, whatever. It has not been revealed what the features are. Like, I still don't know. I have seen overall names being thrown around, but it's still not written here in the description, in the title, sorry. And it is still not out on Spotify. So going into it, I don't know whose voice is going to appear on which track, which will be a fun experience. The last time I did this was Umair's album, which I did an entire listening session in one sitting. How many songs? Oh my God, that was. And also because Umair had told me before it dropped that, features will be hidden for only one day after its release. So, want you to feel surprised. Hence, please try and get to it that day. And I sat for a very long time that day. Anyway, I'm going to do this 3 by 3. Chalo. Track 1, Mera Parichay. Let's begin, guys. We are on this journey together now with Raftar for 9 songs. Oh, and also before I get to track 1, which is Raftar's Mera Parichay, as if the man needs any parichay. Before I get to this track, let me tell you there's another album that's dropped that definitely deserves your attention. It is DRV's Polaris, and it's got some very, very interesting names. I was looking at the track list and I was like, what? Who would have expected Baman Irani on a track with DRV, but he is on the intro track. And there are lots of names. Bombay the Artist is there, Young Sammy, who's making waves. There's Loka, there's Sharul, Zero Chill. They're all on the album, and even Anural Khalid.
देख लिए सारे बने 1.5 शाने जो
मेरे खिलाफ बोलने वाले थे एक काते जो
शेरनी है 7 सवा शेर तेरा भाई चले घोड़े वाली चाल घड़ी देख बजे ढाई
ढेर सारे नोट कुछ ढेर सारे लोग
मुझसे जलने वालों के दिए पेट सारे खोल कहती है पारी में आ कहती है पारी में आ रॉक बैंड वो बजा रही गिटार कहती है पारी में आ रेस्ट वॉच ये 1000 नहीं लाख कहती है साची दिला कहती है पारी में आ कहती है पारी में आ.
So yeah, definitely another project that you should check out, Polaris by DRV. And now let's get to Hard Drive Volume 2. 2 saal ho gaye. Happy birthday, Raftar. Oh shit. Sorry. Before I get into it, happy birthday. As always, you have gifted your fans something special on your own birthday. And yeah, hope you have a great one. Let's get into this now. Track 1. And it's called Mera Parichay. Sorry. Track 1. Explicit warning. Official visualizer. ठीक है. Written by Raftar. Produced by Musa Got Motion. DNB programming in Steen. Mix and mastered. A-Shock. Label Filmpard. Lovely. Let's begin, guys. Okay. Last I heard him was on Karma's track. Beautiful. Oh, by the way, I was at the event. Did not meet Raftar that day, but it was lovely to be at Karma's first tour first club tour, our first show. It's lovely to be there. And of course, Raftaar surprised everyone by appearing on stage. That was fun. Oh, this is number 27 on Trending for Music already. So this is a day old. Not even. This is not even. This released today. So it's already number 27. I just reacted to in this session itself. I reacted to number 24, which is Sanjeet Hegde's track with Sonu Nigam, Mayavi. Please, guys, forget that it's in Kannada. Go and check that song out. It's bloody beautiful. I just can't get over it. I can't get over it. And then I checked out the song that's number 26 on Trending for Music, which is Wavy. Mahol is bada baby. And now this is number 27. So lovely. We're just covering the charts right now in this session. Okay, I'm back. You didn't know I left, but I left because I got called for something and then something else happened and something else happened. Anyway, let's focus and let's get to this track 1, Mera Parichay Raftaar. Let's do it. We don't know if it's a solo or there's someone on it with him, but let's begin this journey. 1, 2, 3, play.
क्या हाल है परिवार वालों, राह और साथ में गाड़ो।
मेरा परिचय, मेरे fans, मेरी body में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ. तुम मेरे नीचे, मेरा परिचय, मेरे fans, मेरी body में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ. उत्तर के कीड़े घुस गए सारे दक्षिण नागा बॉडी में, हरियाणा पढ़ के भी वो एमिनेम लूपे का एम्बॉडीमेंट। तो बॉडी से ऑडी से महंगी अब जूतों की जोड़ी में, जोड़े में मोड़ी लाने वाला मोड़ा चढ़ के घोड़ी पे। मेरा कुछ ना बिगड़ा ना कुछ बिगड़ेगा, पूरा ना होगा इंतजार तेरे बिग डे का। तेरा बंदी रोना तिगड़म कैसे टिकलेगा, ये नायर पूजे नक्षत्रों को जाने ऋग्वेदा तुम निकलेगा। मैं इमोशंस की भीख पे था, रैप गेम से सिक लीव पे था। तुमने हाथ जोड़ा ना साथ छोड़ा, शायद जोर वो मेरी नींद में था। पेड़ दुखाना शीश चुका, तूने गाली दी किसी ने 30 दुआ। मेरे अंदर का फिर से अब 20 भूखा, पिछले जीवन को दे सारी फीस चुका। पिटेगी जो बीट तभी होगा रियल केस, अफवाहों पे वाहवाही और करता यकीन देश। Get the fuck out of my way, get the fuck out of my face। जब बीफ में होगी बेस, तेरा वक्त तेरी प्लेस। बनते रईस जिनकी हरकत कनी, जिनकी साजिश की खारिश है सूखा खालिफ। जरा बन कम शरीफ बड़ा हद बदतमीज, इनके सर दर्द से तंग लिख तू शम्सल मारिफ। लाइफ isn't fair, बड़ा know that you care। बेड़ा बैक सीट पे फास्ट टैग का टॉप अप करके फेयर। राइट पैर ढेर एंकल मसल 90% टेयर। सब कुछ हील करा पर कुछ नहीं करा शेयर। मेरा परिचय, मेरे फैंस, मेरी बॉडी में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ. तुम मेरे नीचे, मेरा परिचय, मेरे fans, मेरी body में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ.
मेरी पहचान बिंदा लान, गड्डी चले सुबह शाम सड़क सुनसान। कदे मिलेगा मकाम मैनू जिदी जात, चंगे भले सी जवान हुन बन शैतान। मैनू कर ला बलेम यारा हर चीज लई, कौन लेके आया रियल हिप हॉप वीकली। दिल नायर मेरे नाल रहेगा नी सेफ तू, दुबई विच खन्ने नाल चले ग्रे गूस। आजा माही सिंह तू फसा जा माही, पुराने रीमिक्स कराना मेरी ताजा स्याही। तेनू होर कुछ नहीं आउंदा, प्यो दे जमाने दे गाने हुण तू गाउंदा। करा कम काजी मेरा फर्ज है जापानी, कलम नी गवानी मेरी तरज है सनामी। फालतू ना पैसो बड़ी कीमती जवानी, दो ही चीज़ां पिछे लड़ो जमीन ते जनानी। हिंदुस्तानी जट तेज जिवें अख्तर, किंग इन द नॉर्थ मैनू भुल्लदा ना मकसद। रब दा मैं बंदा कदे कदे आजे टीमन 7 दिन 7 कुड़ियां थला फॉर अ रीजन। मसाला है नी रैपर लगदे ने फीके, पंगा लेंदे पीके लाउंदे ने ठीके। नहीं परवासी 5 स्टार फ्री छे, ऑटोमेटिक फील है जर्मन है कीचे।
मेरा परिचय, मेरे फैंस, मेरी बॉडी में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ. तुम मेरे नीचे, मेरा परिचय, मेरे फैंस, मेरी बॉडी में DJ, 100 bands, Louis gang, love the leader. Throw my hands on big smoke, जैसे CJ. Back in the day me was a real hardhead, दिल टूटा मेरा तभी I can't fucking forget। जो थे आसमाने चले मिला सीधा वाट बेड, लोहा हाथ में ना लगा वरना बिना डांट ले। Back in the day me was a real hardhead, दिल टूटा मेरा तभी I can't fucking forget। जो थे आसमाने चले मिला सीधा वाट बेड, लोहा हाथ में ना लगा वरना
Interesting end. Interesting end. Lovely. So Kalo on the first track. I like it. बहुत ही गहरा दोस्ताना लगता है. Sorry, is that the dialogue? Damn, that's a strong start. Wasn't he? He was, na? He was on volume 1 as well. Yeah. So one second. There's a lot that he said in his first verse, na, Raftar, why he was away and all. Some ligament tear, knee tear, something. Allah for a reason. Wait, let me just quickly see यहाँ पे lyrics है या नहीं. यहाँ पे तो नहीं है नीचे. One sec. Or I just like this. Actually, I'm like reviewing this the day it released. So hello. And I don't think मेरा परिचय अभी तक out होगा Genius पे. It's out. No. Yet to be released, it says. Hard Drive Volume 2. Unreleased. Only Banjo Bounce is out on Genius. Should I then not? Should I wait and cover the rest of this later? When lyrics are actually out? One sec. I think they're out on Spotify. No, they're not out on Spotify. Okay. So we don't have the lyrics. We're just gonna enjoy the songs and see what we remember after listening to it just once. So he said something about his knee or ligament or knee. Okay, one second. You know what? There was too many like wordplays and things that was happening. Something Dakshin Naga body में Haryana, but something Eminem loop and more. Audi से महंगी अब जूतों की जोड़ी में something जोड़ी में something. Okay, this is going very fast. I like that Rigveda line. ये नायर पूजे नक्षत्रों को जाने ऋग्वेदा. Damn, to मिलेगा something. हाँ, मैं sick leave पे था. तुमने साथ नहीं छोड़ा. So he was very he was praising the fans there. Then सारी पेशा पिटेगा जो भी तभी होगा real case. Get the out of my face. That bit, my God, how does he roll his R's like that in the middle of it? Was crazy. And all these words were very new to me. जिनकी हरकत करनी जरा बन कर शरीफ life is a right where something. Okay, one sec. Where is the knee wala line? Oh, then sorry, Carlos verse has started. But where was that? मैंने बताया नहीं किसी को, but I was healing my leg, है ना? नहीं मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा है. Okay, so anyway, so all that was happening on this track. Very nice. So he's giving his parichaya again, and then Kalon comes in and he's talking about the weekly drops, real hip hop, and the Dubai में खन्ने के साथ Grey Goose. I don't like Grey Goose. Automatic feel है मेरा परिचय. What is lead? Latte lead. What is this? What does it mean? Louis Gang. I can't. That end bit that he did, I don't know if I particularly love that. Back another day. That whole bit, I don't know if that like accent really flows off, like falls on my ears very smoothly, but ठीक है. Me was a real hot head. Dil toota mera tab bhi. I can't forget. Okay. जो थे आसमाने मिला सीधा वॉट बेड लोहा हाथ में ना लगा वरना बिना डॉट लेड्स back in the day. Me was a real hot head. Okay, fine. Interesting end there. So I liked it. ठीक है, it's a strong start. It's number 27 on trending for music. कोई वही नहीं है. Okay, let's move to track 2 now. Oh, this is number 29 on trending for music. Sub hai kya trending? All the 9 songs. I mean, it's Raftar, so it's not hard to believe. ठीक है, we don't know now if this is a solo track or not. This is produced by Lonely Boy and Lodoni. Written by Raftar. Dehshat Ho. Additional programming, Phenom. A-Shock, mix and mastered. Fine, let's get to it. Track 2. 1, 2, 3, play.
Double R.
Voice is this?
Baby काम ऐसा करो तेरी
Yes.
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
रफ्तार भाई ने मुझे बोला कि बाबे उसके मुंह पे पड़े जो मेरे बाप पे
यशराज।
जाए वो साले काप के जाए वो साथ छाप ले जाए भाई रुबाब का हिसाब भी वो नापते का है वो मेरा नाप लेके रापते पे रैप ने खाया मेरा एक ही सवाल हर एक रैप पर भाई तो किसको बेच के खाएंगे कभी बेस बढ़ाएंगे कभी बेस भिड़ाएंगे अपने फेस पे वो भेस मैंने स्टेज पे गाएंगे उन्हें ठेस पहुंचाएंगे
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
गाड़ी गाड़ी पहाड़ी में तेरी कैसेट हो बड़ी गली में कुछ में तेरे एसेट हो बिना खून बहा हमारे रैपर एसिड हो ना
काम ऐसा करो तेरी
I like it.
ओए चालनी है सीधी चले फैशन शो खाली गालियां देता तू है पैंट शर्ट को तेरी स्टोरी की मेंशन नहीं पेंशन ब्रो यश बुले राको तुझे देना भाई इनके माथे खोले एम्स नहीं तू के देना भाई मेटाफोर फेंके चार सीधे दे देना भाई हमें रैप ठेकेदार हम तो बोल के कमाए कभी हाथ में थमाए कभी फाड़ के सुखाए रिवर्स मलिक अपनी फैमिली है गेम है लुगाई हम तो बीन भी बजाए मीम सीन को हिलाए केरोसिन तेरी नींद पे ये गीत ही जलाएगा काम ऐसा करो तेरी
काम ऐसा करो तेरी
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
रात दूं मैं रैप करे भीमसेन जोशी में होश ही नहीं खोया खेलूं टिक टैक टो टॉप 5 है टॉप पे थैंक्स सॉन्ग कोर कैसे बोल पड़े घास फूके दोनों ये गोल अबे कछुआ ही जीतेगा शीफू है रोशी है ना गाना सखी मेरी माँ ना हिरोशी तू झाड़ पे सबाशी ले मुंह पे नकाशी बुकाशी खेलेगा मिया मोटो मुसाशी हाँ बात आई ना समझ गए गेम में उलझ लौटे ब्लेम करे लग को अभी रैन आउट ऑफ फक्स मेरे कांपते नहीं लफ्ज इनकी बातों में कब जो पुकम ना पुकाए उनके नफ्स को दबाए जो ना समझे तो समझो के माथे चटक घर जाए बता कड़वे घूट को कटक क्योंकि देना लायक फाड़े वूफर है मुंह पर है भाई के गाने जब स्कूटर से जाता ट्यूशन में घुटन में लिया यूटर्न और सोचा कि भागू टूटन से मैं कितना बोलूं झूठन से जब लिखना चाहूं बहुत दिन से पर निकला नहीं कोई उस घर से है बरसों से जो अरसों से तरसा बरसा वो बादल सा बरसों पे सर पे कर्जों का खर्चा तो गर्दन बारी है चरसों से यशना बस तेरा बढ़ेगा कश्मा कश में कश भरेगा जब तक राजी ना करेगा खुद को राजी ना करेगा
Damn, son.
बसर ऑन अ बीट ब्रो झगड़ों में चीट कोड गजलों में बीस मोड छोड़े ना एलीट को देंगे तेरी जीत तोड़ शहर आके देख लूंगा ढूंढ लूंगा काम ऐसा करो तेरी
What?
काम ऐसा करो तेरी
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
बेबी काम ऐसा करो तेरी
वाह रफ्तार भाई ना रफ्तार भाई ना
What? What is that? Love it, love it. This one, I love it. I'm sorry, this is current favorite. I loved it. The thing is, when it started, I was like, this that voice was. I was like, could it be? It just had this like Yashraj tonality to it, and then I was like, no, I don't think. And then it was. I loved it. Listen, I would not have expected Yashraj and Raftar on a track. Thank you, Ra, for bringing Yashraj onto your album. He is one of my favorites in the scene right now. Like absolute killer, this man is. And yeah, this track is proof enough of that. You know why that is. So anyway, loved it. The collab was brilliant. It's first of all Lonely Boy and Lodoni. I hope I'm saying that right. Lodoni. Lodoni. Beautiful. What a beat. It was just, you can't like, even without the lyrics, such a vibe. And Phenom additional programming, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then the thing with Yashraj is he has this very unique way of, especially in this kind of vibe, he has a very unique way of just like delivering his lines with this very laid back, almost lazy drawl-ish thing that he does, but not really, because I don't know how he does it. I've said this before, I think. I don't know how he does it, where it sounds like you know, he's saying his lines in this lazy way, but they're still packed with so much energy. There's a beautiful dichotomy that happens. I don't know how he does it, but it was reminding me of that song of his with Hanuman Kind when HMK finishes his verse, and that's a fact. And Yashraj is about to enter the track, and he's like, "Nee, let's start a mosh pit, bro." And he's like, "No, that whole bit." And then how he just gets up and he starts, you're just like, "Oh my god." Goosebumps. So that happens with him, and he did that here as well. So I mean, I can't praise his delivery, his tonality, his voice, his entire like persona and being, and his writing enough. And then to go neck to neck with Raftar on a track, and of course, Raftar is. I mean, at one point I didn't know who was on it because Raftar, like I've said before, I think he matches his. He has so many voices here. He has so many voices and tonalities. The way he matches the person he's on the track with is phenomenal. I said this, I think, in my reel as well that I made about. So again, here he matched Yash Raj's tone and voice so well that I couldn't make out, especially in the second half of the song. I couldn't make out. I was like, oh, is it Raftar now? Because yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Such a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Lyrics nahi hai Genius pe. So let me just quickly see if I can go through it from the video. I don't want to take too much time because we have one more song to cover. But I can see the song being looped so much by everyone, so much. भाई रुबाब का हिसाब भी मेरा एक ही सवाल का भी मेरी एसेट हो दहशत हो यश बोले रा को तू जे देना भाई रिवर्स मलिक अपनी फैमिली केरोसिन तेरी नींद आई डोंट नो मैन इट्स गोइंग है गेम मैं लोग आए हम तो बीन समथिंग मीम सीन को हिलाए लव इट केरोसिन तेरे नींद भी गीत ही जलाएगा काम जैसा करो तेरी दहशत हो. Okay, one sec. Unless it's full screen, you can't really see the lyrics because the scroll bar comes in the way. काम ऐसा करो तेरी दहशत हो. And then Rag, something Bhimsen Joshi happened over there. It's like, wow, what are all these bars, man? So many references. And Rag do मैं rap करे Bhimsen जोश में होश नहीं खोया खेले टिक टैक टो. This entire bit here, this is top 5 है तो पे thanks encore. कैसे बोल पड़े घास के दोनों ये गोट. अब एक that line. अब एक कछुआ ही जीतेगा शिफू है. Okay, this whole scheme that he did with the anime references, I'm guessing they were all anime references because I only knew like इधर उधर एक दो. Hilarious. I mean, not hilarious, but amazing. I love that with the awe. I'm going to use that. That line should be its own reel. You know, just that line. Or we ran out of. That's it. Just that 3 seconds should be a reel. Should be a loop reel. Hilarious. क्योंकि they're not like यश जब स्कूटर से जाता ट्यूशन में कुटन में लिया यू टर्न और सोचा कि भागो टूटन से मैं कितना बोलूं झूठन से जब लिखना चाहूं बहुत दिन से पर निकला घर से है बरसों से जो अरसों से तरसा बरसा वो बादल से वर्षन पे सर पे कर्जों का खर्चा तो गर्दन भारी है चरसों से यश ना बस तेरा बढ़ेगा कश. That's when the Ra came in, right? कश्मकश में कैश भरेगा जब तक राजी ना करेगा खुद को करेगा. असर on the beat bro झगड़ों में cheat code गजलों पे beast modes. Ghazals are gonna make a comeback. Sorry, I have to throw that in. Okay. छोड़े ना elite को देंगे तेरी शहर आके देख लूंगा ढूंढ लूंगा. This anyway, loved it. Bars on bars and just vibes on vibes. Beautiful, gorgeous. I like it. Track 2 is a complete winner. I'm so happy to see Yash Raj on a track with Raftar. Honestly, long overdue. Okay, let's go to track 3. Wrapped up. I like it already. Produced by Phenom this time. Okay, interesting. Wrapped up. इस पे कौन होगा? I feel like इस पे भी feature है. Or is it a solo track? I don't know. Chalo, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, play.
बिना
फर्जी जुबां खुले थर्ड आई पीना शर्त आई व्यू दिखे मुझे बर्ड्स आए हम दर्द आए तभी से मेरे दर्द आए सर्द में भी रम भर कम ये ना भरता है कलाकार करे जिंदगी की भरपाई कार की तलाश में वो बस भी ना चढ़ पाए हार से हताश में जो कश्म थे चढ़ता है खुशी खर जाए दुख बेचो ना तो घर जाए ऐसे होनी नहीं होगी जब तक बोनी नहीं होगी यार इसकी जॉनी नहीं होगी जो ना एफएक्स है वेरिस तो मूवी सोनी नहीं होगी यू गॉट नो मनी नो हनी वीडियो में मोनी नहीं होगी ये लौंडे बरसाती मुख्य बताक लेते थूक के सटाक पूरी दूध के चटाक गिरे पेड़ से तो गए मेरे क्रूट पे लटक मेरे टक्कने पे चढ़े गए फ्रूट को कट गलत फैमी नहीं गलत फैंसी गलत फैमिली इनका कल्ट या कंट जो भी मैं ब्लंट एमिली इनकी घोड़ी में तोड़ी बॉडी की बंद कैविटी इनसे गुड्डी बना खेलू जाना बंद एमिली पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक लुई सर तक पूछी कर तक साइजिंग ऑप्शंस गुची बेचे घर तक बेड में ढेर पड़ा कपड़ों का पर्वत 100 रुपए बिलांग चादर धड़ चढ़े मरकट तभी हर लफ्ज फाड़े मस्तक तेरे दर बिना डर के तू 10 तक रहूंगा फर्श तक ना कि बाकी कर्ज तक रैप का बरकत गड़ा हुआ जड़ तक मेरी कहानी है राजा की चीनी रानी है या तो गाड़ी भगानी नहीं या तो सीधा पकानी है बॉम्बे में घर है पेपर पे इससे महंगी जगानी है चढ़ी बड़ी रवानी है मेरी नई जनानी है अभी मैं गुड रहा ये मांगे रुद्रा आपके ब्लॉक में भी डबल के है मुद्रा खरीदा प्यार जिस भी यार पे तू उड़ रहा नशे ने घर तोड़े फिर भी ना सुधरा पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक यादों की पौधों की पैसे दे के सिंचाई गाली गलोचे ज्ञानी गोली कूट के खिलाई भोले पालक बेचारे करते बूट की चटाई जीरो फॉलो ना पोस्ट ना वो डीपी लगाई नसों में नशा कर गई नस्लें खराब कच्चे खेतों में दीमक फैली फसलें खराब माइनर में मेजर जाता नहीं वो गजलें खराब चले मेरे खिलाफ लेकिन नस्लें खराब मेरे दिल ने लिखा सो I pray for your soul हमें टता निशान में ना pray for your soul ये दुख की दिशा करूं pray for your soul ये मेरा नुकसान सिला pray for your soul मेरे दिल ने लिखा सो I pray for your soul हमें टता निशान में ना pray for your soul ये दुख की दिशा करूं pray for your soul ये मेरा नुकसान सिला pray for your soul पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक पानी 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 है सर तक हानी 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 जानी अम्मा बरकत मेरी नसों में खून ना की शरबत सुधारता तो रैप देता रैप टाए घर तक
Nice. I feel like this one made me like I was looking at the visuals a lot more closely. And it feels like, it's a very old, like, like Temple of Doom sort of situation is happening. It's an old sacred like room, like you would find in an ancient temple. And obviously his idols and inspirations are behind him and he's sitting there. And I was seeing here right side pe there are like these smaller statues. Are they monkeys or? Yeah, they look like. And then they're like meditating figures. No, they're like attendants, like you would have in a court. There's like elephants, 2 on one side, 1 on the other. Why only 1? Okay, and there's like a Nag also there. It's like a proper old temple type thing. Very Siem Reap, Angkor Wat, Ta Prohm fields are happening. Old ruins. Yeah. Interesting why this visual. So anyway, it made me think of that. Okay, so this song, I would say that it is It is okay, yeah. So this song, I would say, it was Ra dropping some serious bars all over the place, and there was. I feel like he's really letting out a lot of thoughts that have probably been on his mind for a very long time, and of course, he's doing it in a very uh rap way with a lot of bars and references and wordplays thrown in. But this was a little bit of an intense listen for me. I would have to go and see one sec. I'm going. देखिए मुझे हमदर्द आए तभी हिस्से मेरे दर्द आए सर्द में भी रम भर गम ये ना भरता है. So again, he is continuing from some of the things he said in track one, and he is talking about just a lot of stuff he's been through. And I agree, alcohol is the worst thing to resort to when you're feeling low. Just say, अगर जिंदगी की भरपाई कर कार की तलाश में वो बस भी ना चढ़ पाए हार से हताश में जो काश मत्ते चढ़ता है खुशी खर्चाए दुख बेचो ना तो घर जाए दुख बेचो ना तो घर जाए something like that. Tala Anjum has also said that what is it दुख के बाजार में अपने गम बेच रहा हूँ something like that. I don't remember exactly. फैक्स ऐसे होनी नहीं होगी जब तक बोनी नहीं होगी आर इसकी जॉनी नहीं होगी जो ना एफएक्स मूवी सोनी नहीं होगी और मनी नो हनी वीडियो में मोनी नहीं होगी. मोनी is that actress, right? She played, I only remember her because she played Sati. Love that show. Honestly, one of the best shows. ये लौंडे बरसाती मुख्य अगले थे बुरी that गिरे पेड़ से something मेरे ग्रूट that okay, there's these lyrics. Interesting references. Galat Fehmi, Galat family, Galat. So he did a shout out to Ankur Tiwari also. Ankur Tiwari, right? So then Galat family, इनका कल्ट या समथिंग जो भी मैं ब्लंट एमिली इनकी गोई बॉडी की बन क्या है इनसे समथिंग खेलना टॉयज बैंड एंड हैमलीज जाना बंद हैमलीज आया सर तक हनी 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 जानी ऑन माय मेरी मासूम समथिंग समथिंग. ओके वन सेक. देयर इज या तो गाड़ी भगानी है तो सीधा भगानी है बॉम्बे में घर है ऐसे महंगी जगह नहीं है चढ़ी बड़ी रवानी है समथिंग समथिंग. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to read these lyrics offline. But you know, he did put on his story that reaction channels, you know, covered the next day when all the lyrics are out. So thank you for letting us know that. I'm getting to it as soon as I could, which is the day these videos have been released. And I've been getting so many requests also, but it's just while the lyrics are there in the video, they're not there offline to go through properly once I finished watching it. Khuna ki sharbat, pani, pani, pani. So yeah, there's a lot on his mind. Obviously, he's not dropped a project in so long. There is so many things he's telling the fans. This is that song, Rapta. I like the name. So cool. We had the first one with Kalo. We had the second one with Yash Raj. And we had this solo one. So far in this stack of 3, my favorite was track 2. Let me know which one was yours. And I'm going to now end this video here. And I'll see you in round 2, which will be tracks 4 and 6. See you then. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
क्योंकि देना ला यश देना ला यक बड़े वूफर है मुंह पर है भाई के गाने जब स्कूटर से जाता ट्यूशन में घुटन में लिया यूटर्न और सोचा कि भागू टूटन से मैं कितना बोलूं झूठन से जब लिखना चाहूं बहुत दिन से पर निकला नहीं कोई उस घर से है बरसों से जो अरसों से तरसा बरसा वो बादल सा बरसों पे सर पे कर्जों का खर्चा तो गर्दन बारी है